right? Another thing is managing cash flow, FBA fees, P&L. We've seen it all before. We get a product, we're excited about it, we go to Amazon, and then we realize Amazon is taking 50%, right? And then we haven't included Amazon PPC costs. And then next thing you know, Amazon's making all the money and we're not making any money at all, right? So this is one thing that we need to look at, one thing that we actually need to address. And a lot of the times it comes down to differentiation of your particular product. You can, believe it or not, price your product twice as much as your competition, right? Twice as much as your competition, and you'd still make sales. There's about 20% of the Amazon market that are premium buyers. They look for premium products and they're willing to pay a lot more for it. How do I know? It's because we do it, okay? So another thing also is your customer brand avatar. So who do we actually target, right? Who are we actually targeting? Which avatar or which avatars are we actually targeting? And this is also a really big thing because this is going to form the communication on your listing description. It's going to form the actual images or the models that you actually use on your photos of your actual product. It's going to form the emotion that you're trying to bring out from that actual person you're targeting. So if you don't know exactly who your customer is and what your product is actually for, then what tends to happen is you lead the customer to have a confused mind. And by them having a confused mind, what ends up happening is they don't end up buying, right? So a very, very clear customer brand avatar is needed. Another thing is 40% of members have less than 5 hours a week to spend on their business. Now, this is, again, according to the Let's Get Real member survey that I'm going to be doing probably every 4 or 5 months, because I think it's important to get your feedback. It's important to know exactly where you're at, where your challenges are, where your successes are also, so we can actually help improve. And so by having the lack of time and then also that particular confidence, you do get analysis paralysis, or you do kind of like to hang around, which is awesome, but I want you guys to start taking a little bit more action. Another thing is keeping yourselves accountable, right, with the actual progress. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years can easily go by, right? It goes by so quickly. So how do we ensure that we're continually moving forward, right? Even though we lack the actual time that we actually have. So keeping ourselves accountable is extremely important. So what is the solution to this? So I had an idea to come up with a 8-week brand startup focus group, right? And also part of this brand startup focus group is not only for the actual members that have that, lack of time, but also for the members that are really kind of having challenges when it comes to product selection. Okay, so this particular brand startup focus group will be over 8 weeks. We'll do one 45-minute group call once a week with an expert coach, but you're also going to have your own mentorship accountability partner, right? To ensure that you get things done, to ensure that you can touch base with if you're having any issues during the week. So this particular program is really for anyone, even if you haven't had a product before, even if you do have an actual product, but now you're looking to just really do things right, or maybe expand on your product range, or just get those skills that you want to have, but actually feel the confidence to launch that particular product and know why.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com AussieOnlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.